Today I'm going to teach you how to save templates, export, and import them on another website in Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse a page design across multiple WordPress sites without having to rebuild everything from scratch. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on All Pages. Here you'll see a list of all the pages you created on your site. Look for the specific page that contains the design you want to save as a template. When you find it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor where you can see your page layout in full. Now at the upper right corner of the Elementor interface, you'll notice a button right beside the Publish button. Click on that button, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Save as Template. This action converts your entire page design into a reusable template that you can export and use elsewhere. Make sure to give your template a clear descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. This step is crucial because it packages all your design elements, settings, and styles into a single file. Next, let's move on to exporting the template. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Templates. Then click on Save Templates. This section stores all the templates you've created within Elementor. Scroll through the list and locate the specific template you just saved. Once you find it, hover over the template name and you'll see a submenu appear underneath. From that submenu, click on Export Template. This will download a JSON file to your computer. Keep this file safe as it contains all the data for your template. Now we're ready to import this template onto another website. Log into the target site's WordPress dashboard. This should be the website where you want to use your template. Just like before, go to Templates and then click on Save Templates. At the top of this page, you'll see a button labeled Import Templates. Click on it and a file upload window will appear. Select the JSON file you downloaded earlier from your computer. Once you've chosen the file, click Import Now. Elementor will process the file and add your template to this new site's library. Give it a moment to complete the import, especially if your template contains a lot of elements or custom settings. And that's it. You've successfully saved, exported, and imported an Elementor template to another website. This method saves you tons of time and ensures consistency across multiple sites. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.